In this video, we're going to show you how to install the blower motor on your Jeep Grand Cherokee, located up underneath the passenger side of the dashboard. And we have our sill plate right here. I want to go ahead and pull that up. Just put your fingers underneath and pry up. And what you're doing is undoing the little metal retainer clips, securing this in place. You can see those on the back side. Go ahead and set that aside for now. Next thing we want to do is pull off of our kick panel right here, but this comes over and there's a couple Phillips head screws securing that. So let's go ahead, loosen and remove the screws. There's going to be 3 Phillips head screws, one here, here, and then one further up. I want to go ahead and loosen and remove these. Now on our vehicle, this particular screw here is stripped out and broken. Go ahead and loosen and remove yours if yours is still good. And then we have our third and last one on the front here. And we're going to pull this up and just pull out on the kick panel, trim piece here, and set that aside. Now on a blower motor, we have an electrical connector right here. I'm going to go ahead and reach up there, press in on that tab, and pull that connector off. Now around the perimeter, there's going to be 3 8mm screws. There's one here, one over here, and then there's one underneath this harness here. This is why we removed the kick panel, because we need to go ahead and pull this harness back in order to get to that hidden screw. You kind of see it back here. It's a little bit buried. So let's go ahead, loosen and remove the 2 that are readily accessible. Now grab that blower motor and wiggle that down and out. Feed the blower motor up. I'm gonna have to pull that harness aside a little bit. Here we go. Tuck that up into place. And once we have that lined up, let's go ahead and get a couple of the screws installed. Just want to gently secure that. Get that back one installed here. We'll go ahead and get the screw installed in the upper corner here. Now that we have all 3 screws installed, reconnect your harness connector here. You can feel in here it snap into place. Let's now install our sill plate and kick panel. Go ahead and feed our sill plate up and in. Go ahead and install the 3 screws on your kick panel trim here. Now our third one here was broken, so you want to make sure you get yours in there if yours is still good. Once you have the 3 screws installed here, install that little step panel here or sill plate, and make sure you get these 3 metal tabs and the 4th one down the end. Make sure you have the guide pin right here. That's going to go in. Make sure that lines up properly. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.